Great opportunity to show this home some love and end up with a show place. On almost an acre backing to a lovely creek, the home is on a cul-de-sac in lovely Emory Heights. Major items are done: Amana gas heat and central air 2016, roof 2018, vinyl replacement windows 2012, concrete driveway 2018 and added attic insulation in 2018. Owner's suite was once 2 bedrooms that were combined to make one very large one with 2 closets and a private bath. Spacious eat-in kitchen with a door to the deck and fenced yard. Lower level offers a family room with a beautiful stone fireplace, bedroom, full bath and under stair storage. Near Greenway walking trails, schools, minutes from West Knoxville and in the award-winning Oak Ridge School District. So grab those tools, Home Depot is just down the road, and let the transformation begin. Sold as is, but home inspection is welcomed.